ko Te Koha Shed e ware manaaki mo te unga rawa kore, e ratonga mo te apuri Whanganui, e ratonga kore utu, e ratonga e mai ana i runga i te kaupapa aroha ki te tangata. Ko te kaumārua tau tēnei kaupapa e aare ana, ei tā te waene nei e waka aere ana i te Koha Shed, i wānau mai te whare koha i roto i te ngākau wakaiti me te ngākau manaaki.
So it was in a garage, we had little planks of wood on tree stumps as our shelving, and she said, well, it's in a shed and you're giving it, so let's just call it the Koha Shed. And that's how it all started. And the scouts said we could utilise this for the Koha Shed because I had no room in my garage anymore. So we started here at the Koha Shed. We bought the buildings off the scouts and we got a community lease, which we've had for the land ever since.
Kei te mai Shed me tūropu.
We've developed a community garden and we're now expanding into homelessness because over COVID we found that all our homeless were out or locked out of freedom camps. We have Te Whanganui and all sorts of people coming in to
E kaupapa kai rātou ei wāngai i to.
so starting